ट्रोल हो रहा है कि सिब्बल साहब जीरो लॉस कहते थे, तो अब इन ट्रोल वालों को भी माफी मांगनी चाहिए, क्योंकि सिब्बल साहब सोच विचार के बात करते हैं, बेबुनियादी कभी बात नहीं करते।
So what does it mean going forward now? You know, because several companies, several individuals were accused in this case.
Most unfortunate. This is the point, you see, that if you create an atmosphere of suspicion, and if you create an atmosphere in this country that everything that the UPA one did was wrong,
right,
and if the opposition gets onto the bandwagon,
right,
and the entire atmosphere is vitiated, and you get a judgment of a court which is not necessarily right, then you will have positions like this. The telecom sector is in dire straits today, thanks to Vinod Rai. The telecom sector is in dire straits today, thanks to the opposition, thanks to the leaders of the opposition, both in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, that made such a song and dance about it. And now our position has been vindicated. And they attacked the former Prime Minister of India. They attacked, though I was never the telecom minister at that time. This decision was taken when Raja was there. But I, of course, succeeded him. And when I succeeded him and I looked at the facts, I told the people of this country there's nothing wrong that has happened. And today my position and the government's position and the Prime Minister's position has been vindicated. It is most unfortunate that the country had to go through this. And in fact, a lot of the NPAs in the banks today are on account of the fact that these telecom companies' licenses were cancelled. People had to borrow money from the banks. They couldn't return money to the banks. That's how a lot of these NPAs have accumulated. That also is the responsibility of the opposition, not ours. बैंकिंग सेक्टर को नुकसान हुआ, व्यवस्था को नुकसान हुआ, एनपीएस बढ़ गए इसी वजह से, क्योंकि लोगों के लाइसेंस कैंसिल हो गए, वो पैसा जो उन्होंने उधार लिया था, बैंक के साथ लोन पे लिया था, वो वापस नहीं कर पाए, तो आर्थिक स्थिति में मंदी आई, और इस वजह से, विनोद राय की वजह से और बीजेपी की वजह से।
तो चेंज द वे इन विच नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज आर एलोकेटेड, सर, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिस तरह से एक पार्टी बने थे।
हाँ, बिल्कुल। नहीं, खैर, मैं देखिए, ऐसा है कि मैं ऐसी कोई अच्छी बात नहीं करूंगा कि किसी पे केस होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो बड़े बड़े पदों पे बैठे हुए हैं, जब वो फैसला लेते हैं ना, तो थोड़ा सोच विचार के साथ लेना चाहिए।